Well, hey everybody, have you ever been trying to figure out what to make for supper and you want something fast and easy and delicious? How about Hawaiian Chicken Stir Fry?
Here we go.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey everybody, this is Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. I'm going to be making supper this evening while Elizabeth is in doing some editing. And this is a recipe that she and I came up with together, and we've made it a couple times and we really like it. It's really fast, really easy to do, and it can be made basically 100% from your long-term food storage. And it's Hawaiian Chicken Stir Fry. Now you may be wondering about the timing of this video. I thought you guys were in Florida and now you're home again. Actually, when this video is released, we are in Florida. But I filmed this actually the evening before we left. This is what we are cooking, so we're leaving tomorrow morning for Florida again in the car. But by the time you see this, we're already there for a while. And so let's get started. Now the thing that takes the longest here is the rice. Unless you're going to use 5-minute, instant rice. We like parboiled. Takes 20 minutes to cook. So I'm going to start with this first. And then while I'm getting this cooking, then I can get all the other ingredients going. So I'm going to be using about 1.5 cups. So that needs 3 cups of water. Get that going on the stove. Once that starts to boil, I turn it all the way down to low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. So now while the rice is cooking, I'm going to rehydrate all of the rest of this. This is all freeze-dried from Thrive Life. So I'm going to start with the chicken. And the chicken, as you can see, is dry. It's very easy to just snap in half. If that's how soft and dry it is. All of the Thrive Life's meats are pre-cooked, so you don't have to worry about that. I can't get this out of there. You don't have to worry about that. Just put it in water and it'll refresh. I'm just going to dump some in. I can't get it into the cup like that. So nothing's measured. I'm just kind of doing it until it looks about right. 2 servings of chicken, basically. And then this is Hawaiian, so we're going to be putting in pineapple. These little pieces of cubed pineapple. This is delicious, just to snack on dry, just like it is. Put in about 1 cup of pineapple. Now all of Thrive Life is very nutritious. There's nothing in it like preservatives or food coloring or chemicals of any kind. See right here? Can you see that? Pineapple. That's the only thing that's in it. All non-GMO. Good stuff. Okay, my rice is boiling, so I just turned that down. Now we like their onions. They have large pieces of sliced onions, but these are chopped onions, and as you can see, they're chopped real small. So I'm going to use maybe 1/4 cup of chopped onions. And then some peas and corn. I don't know. I'm just going to pour some in. Okay, there we go. Now we just need to add water. And this will sit for the 20 minutes that it takes for the rice to cook, and then it'll be ready to go. So now I've got all of that just soaking in the pan.
So I was talking away here and I didn't realize that my microphone was not on. So these freeze-dried ingredients sat for the 20 minutes that it took the rice to cook, and now they're fully refreshed, so I'm just draining them. And the chicken, of course, is pre-cooked, and now it's fully refreshed, and oh man, is it good and tender, just like that.
So I've just been recording and realized that I had my microphone turned off. So the rice was finished. I just put some olive oil in here and poured the rice into the pan. And then I'm going to take all of these freeze-dried ingredients and just pour them in on top. Now, one other ingredient I did not put in, I have the pineapple in there. I also have coconut flakes. This is not freeze-dried from Thrive. This is Walmart organic unsweetened coconut flakes. As you can see, it's a very careful measurement of how much to use. Turn it down a little. This is already cooked. So just basically want to heat it all together, heat all the flavors together. Now I'm going to use some Thrive freeze-dried garlic. And this is Thrive's Chef's Choice All-Purpose Seasoning. Use a little bit of that. And then you can use soy sauce. That's what most people would use. But soy sauce has gluten in it, and we need to stay gluten-free. So we use coconut aminos, which tastes very, very similar to soy sauce, but does not have any gluten in it. So Elizabeth would be able to use it. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Just stir it up for a while until it's all kind of flowing together and warm. Just don't forget the rice was cooked, but all the freeze-dried stuff was still raw and cold. Of course, the meat was already cooked, so you don't have to worry about that. So you just want to kind of let it here, keep stirring it, and let it warm up a little bit till it's ready to go. Well, dear, bon appetit.
Thank you for making this while I was editing. I appreciate that.
Yeah, Elizabeth is finally getting back to being able to do Tea with Jesus.
Yes. And so
After what, a month of not doing it?
Oh, it's been at least a month. Yeah, a long
So
time.
she just recorded it this afternoon, and then she was editing it this evening while I did this, so she can get it up, you know, and ready to go.
Yeah.
After we're going to Florida. So anyway.
This looks and it smells. Oh my goodness! I wish you guys could smell how good this smells. All right, let me see here.
We made this once before, and we had the pineapple in it, but we
thought about the coconut, but we didn't have any at the time.
So now this has coconut in it.
Pineapple and coconut.
The pineapple and the coconut with the chicken and the seasoning of those aminos, the coconut aminos. It's really, really good.
So, Thrive Life has a 25-year shelf life, 1 year after you open it. So we use it for our long-term food storage.
Yes.
And also, as you can see, we use it in our daily cooking. We probably cook at least 50% of our meals with Thrive or partial Thrive ingredients. We absolutely love it.
One of my favorites is that pineapple. And man, is that good with the, it's a hint of sweetness, and there's a flavor of the coconut, but then there's that little bit of a nice tart, flavor that comes out of the other seasoning in there, and the chicken, it's good. I can't really use too many soy sauces because of the gluten that they can have in them.
Right.
And I've learned to really appreciate coconut aminos. It works just like soy sauce. Anyway, sorry, it's so good.
We don't want to be rude and eat our whole meal in front of you. So I guess we'll sign off. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. As you can see, I didn't use any measurements. I just sort of dumped and what looked about right.
I've been teaching him how I cook.
Yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody.
Live simple.
Live free. You be blessed. We'll see you next time.
We love you guys, and anyway, we'll see you soon.
All right.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, it's so good.
We need to do this more often.
It is really good. Man.
Jason Stover says, I have ordered Thrive many times, especially the apple slices and the strawberry ones. Oh man, what a wonderful thing they are. If anyone was ever on the fence, pull out that card and order. You won't regret it. And Old Heritage Homestead says, this is really good food. I cook with it all the time.